University of Georgia. Want to study MBBS in Europe without the hassle of entrance exam? What if I told you that you can get a medical degree at an affordable tuition fees and it's eligible for USMD, PLAB and the next? So yes, stay with me till the end because the University of Georgia might be the perfect choice for you. So why choose the University of Georgia for MBBS? The University of Georgia is one of the top medical universities in Georgia, attracting thousands of students internationally every year. And here is why that there's no entrance exam required, so no NEET cutoff, no IELTS, no extra test. Affordable tuition fees. Study MBBS for as low as $6,000 per year, which approximately is around 4 to 5 lakh rupees. Next is the globally recognized degree approved by WHO, NMC and ECFMG. Eligible for USMD, PLAB and next. Work as a doctor in India, the UK, US and Europe. Next is 100% English medium teaching, so study without any language barrier. Next is the safe and vibrant student life. Study in Tbilisi, one of the most student-friendly cities in Europe. So now let's discuss about MBBS program details. So the MBBS program at the University of Georgia follows European medical standards and offers duration of 6 years, 5 years of study and 1 year of internship. Next is internationally recognized degree eligible for medical licensing exams worldwide. No language barrier, so entire course is taught in English language and the tuition fees and the living cost is also quite affordable. The tuition fees for University of Georgia offers one of the most affordable MBBS programs in Europe. Tuition fees of the MBBS course is around $5,000 to $6,000 per year, which approximately goes to 4 to 5 lakh rupees. And the living cost in Tbilisi is around rupees 25,000 approximately. This means you can complete your entire MBBS degree in just 28 lakh rupees, including all your expenses. Much lower than the private medical colleges in India. Let's talk about the career opportunities after MBBS. So after graduating from the University of Georgia, you can practice in India, US and UK and Europe because you are eligible for USMD, PLAB and next. Pursue PG in top countries and study further in Germany, UK, USA and more. So want to study MBBS at the University of Georgia with no entrance exam and affordable tuition fees? Click the link below to connect with me or connect with the team of Higher Education Center for personalized mentorship and hassle-free admission process. Contact HEC because the seats are limited and they're filling fast. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.